Okay, well, it is 9 a.m. So thank you everybody for coming. It looks like we've got about 25 attendees who have logged on time. Congratulations for that. And it looks like some more people are coming in as well. So I am Lisa Pitlick-Zillig. I'm the interim director of the Social and Behavioral Sciences Research Consortium, also known as SBSRC, and a research associate professor at the University of Nebraska Public Policy Center. By the way, a big thank you to the PPC today for letting us use their webinar platform. We got quite a lot of interest in this, so we thought it might be useful to kind of switch to that platform instead of the regular meeting format. Today's workshop, which aims to foster and catalyze big data media research, especially at UNL, but everybody else is welcome too. And we're very grateful for everybody coming from other universities that you'll hear from today. This workshop is being led by the Public Insight Lab. You'll meet Valerie Jones, the leader of that lab, in just a little bit, at the College of Journalism and Mass Communication, and with support from the Public Policy Center and the SBSRC. So great. We're really excited about the presentations today. As you probably saw on the schedule, we're going to be starting in session 1 with some flash talks about different applications of social media research and analyses. Then we'll have 3 additional sessions featuring speakers from UNL, Clemson University, University of Alabama, and staff from Sprinkler. Sprinkler, by the way, is both a company and a tool for obtaining and visualizing vast amounts of media data and metrics. And Sprinkler people will be here today to answer questions as they come up. And of course, you know, after all the sessions, you guys can always contact us as well, and we can continue to answer questions. Perhaps most importantly, well, not most importantly, but Sprinkler is also the sponsor of our social later this afternoon. So if you're watching from Lincoln or nearby, you're invited to come to our face-to-face social event, meet with other people who are in the area who came to the webinar, discuss your ideas for research, and have some refreshment. As we noted in the registration email, the social will be at the Mill at Nebraska Innovation Campus. The address is in the registration email. It begins at 4 p.m. And because of Sprinkler's sponsorship, the first 25 people will receive a complimentary drink. Okay, before I turn it over to Valerie, a couple of housekeeping things. And also this lets me see if I really can share my screen, which I think I can. Okay, first of all, we want everybody to use chat. You'll see on your webinar controls a chat button for your interactive comments, introductions, banter, replies to speaker questions, and so on. But if you have substantive questions for the speakers, please use the question and answer button marked Q&A. And if you could start your question with the speaker's name so that we can kind of keep track of them, that would be great. And rather than typing the same question that somebody else already typed, which can kind of get confusing and then we forget what we've answered or not, if you could just look at the questions that are posted and upvote rather than repeat the questions that people ask that you'd like to have answered. And how do you upvote? You click on question and answers, you look at the questions, and then you hit the little up thumb, and that will upvote the question and help us kind of keep track of where people's questions are most located. Okay, with that, I will turn it over to Valerie.